Just a normal day. I just love watching my what? Oh, it's a new PS5 coming out in the games and the I don't know, games and electronics. And it's only $50. So come get your PS5 now. I have $50. I'll bring it on the car. Plus, it's right across the street. I'm really fast. What the? I'll say. Gerald? Gerald. Ah! Whoa, Jared, how'd you get here? I don't know. Oh, I'm trying to look for the PS5. Heck yeah. I want that PS5 now. Okay, boom, you can get it. Okay. Ooh, these are some cool PCs. I can have one. There's also a laptop. There's also a TV, but I already have a TV. There's also this, whatever. There's a TV and the PS5! Look, it's a TV and the PS5. That's a cool game. PS5 cell. Ooh. This is what's inside the box. We all know what's inside there. So, get their box. One PS5. And it sipped out. One PS5, please. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Okay. This will be $50. Okay, here's $50. Now, bye. Okay. That was amazing. I finally get a PS5. It's just sitting in the back. Oh my gosh. Have to flip over my car. It's gone. That's my PS5 in the trunk. Okay. Got the PS5 in my hands. Okay, I just sit down. Okay. Let's read. It's the PS5. Okay, we gotta be careful. Let's set it right here. Now let's turn it on. It's glitching. It's okay. Let me just fix it. Oh, yes, it's a game. Okay, it's a game. Okay, I'm in the lobby. What's up? I'm playing Fortnite. Ooh, go away. Oh, wait. Where's the controller? Do I need to buy the controller? It should have been in there. Is it? Nope, don't worry, I got the controller. I'm just joking. Heck yeah. I got the controller. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wait. Someone calling me. Someone's calling me. Who's calling me? Shut up! I'm yet to work at my job. Is that you? Wait, what's your name again? Karsten. Oh yeah, Carson, you were working at the store, huh? Yeah. You have to retire for me. Okay, I'll be there in like a moment. No! I don't want to retire. I want to beat this crap. I want to beat the crap out of the place. I want to nuke it. Destroy it. Buy all the PS5. Steal it. Break it. I don't know. Like, what's the worst possibly thing it could be? Bye-bye. Thanks. Well, how did you just go? He just turned into a toy. Not a toy. That was weird. Okay, why is there PS5 right here? Ow! Nope, I don't want to work anymore. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go steal everything. Okay, this will be mine. Okay. This will be mine. This will be mine. This will be mine. I'm not gonna get this. I'm just kidding, I am. This will be mine. This is also gonna be mine. It's a really cool setup, so I'm not gonna mess it up. This will be mine. This will be mine. And we're done. I ain't working at this crusty, dusty job. I'm gonna start destroying the place. This thing I thought was so neat, I'm gonna break it instead of bringing all the things. Yes. Stupid. Russer. Ding. Let's see again. Ding. Ding. What are you doing in the shop? What are you doing? What the heck are you doing? What? You're not supposed to do that. I'm gonna turn to my evil mode. Oh, hell no. Oh. No. Ah!